हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। हम राजस्थान जुडिशरी का प्रीलिमिनरी क्वेश्चन पेपर 2019 सॉल्व कर रहे थे। फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने 20 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे। आगे के क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21। अंडर द प्रोविजंस ऑफ राजस्थान रेंट कंट्रोल एक्ट 2001, ए लैंडलॉर्ड हैज अ राइट टू इंस्पेक्ट द प्रीमाइसेस लेट आउट बाय हिम। Which of the following statement with reference to the inspection is incorrect? The option number 2, a prior intimation of at least 3 days to the tenant is necessary, is the right answer for this question. Question number 22, which of the provision of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 provides that the objection regarding territorial or pecuniary jurisdiction has to be raised at the first available opportunities? The correct answer is option 4, section 21. Question number 23. Rule in Hayden's case is also known as purposive construction. The correct option is option 1. Question number 24. The rule of construction nociter is socis means. Correct answer is option 1. The meaning of a word is to be judged by the company it keeps. Question number 23 and 24 इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ स्टैट्यूट्स के क्वेश्चंस हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, ए जज ऑफ अ हाई कोर्ट मे बाय राइटिंग अंडर हिज हैंड रिजाइन हिज ऑफिस, टू whom such resignation should be addressed? The correct answer is प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। हाई कोर्ट के जज अपना रेजिग्नेशन लेटर किसको लिखते हैं, किसको देते हैं? प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, द एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर ऑफ द स्टेट इज वेस्टेड इन द गवर्नर। स्टेट की एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर किसमें वेस्टेड है? गवर्नर में। और सेंटर की एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर किसमें है? प्रेसिडेंट में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्ट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू बी प्रूव्ड? द करेक्ट आंसर इज नन ऑफ द अबव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, स्पेशल प्रोविजंस एज टू एविडेंस रिलेटिंग टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकॉर्ड वर इंसर्टेड इन द इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट 1872। कब इंसर्ट किया था? 2000 में इंसर्ट किया गया था, सेक्शन 65B। 29, क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, ऑन रिजेक्शन ऑफ प्लेंट अंडर प्रोविजन ऑफ ऑर्डर 7 रूल 11 कोड ऑफ सिविल प्रोसीजर 1908 presenting a fresh plaint in respect of the same cause of action is? Correct answer is option number 2, on its own force does not preclude the plaintiff from presenting a fresh plaint. Question number 30, which of the following statement is incorrect? Correct answer is option 1, an agreement made without consideration is void irrespective of the circumstances. इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट का सेक्शन 25 उन कंडीशंस को बताता है कि किन कंडीशंस में विदाउट कंसिडरेशन भी जो एग्रीमेंट है वो वैलिड होगा, वॉइड नहीं होगा। जैसे कि इन केस ऑफ गिफ्ट और इन केस ऑफ डेप्थ बार्ड बाय लिमिटेशन एक्ट। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, which provision in Code of Civil Procedure 1908 bars entertainment of application to review an order made on an application for a review or a decree or order passed or made on a review? The correct answer is Order 37, Rule 9. Question number 32. The period of limitation for filing a suit to set aside transfer of property made by a guardian of a ward by the ward's legal representative when the ward dies before attaining majority is option number 3, 3 years from the date of death of the ward. Question number 33. Decree for payment of money passed against a woman cannot be executed by her arrest and detention in prison. Question number 34. Which provision of the Constitution of India abolished untouchability and forbids its practice in any form? Is the correct answer is Article 17. Question number 35. A mutual mistake of the parties in an instrument which does not express their real intention can be got rectified by either party to the instrument. The correct option is third, by instituting a suit under Section 26 of the Specific Relief Act 1963. Question number 36. Under which provision of law the Session Court can make a reference to the High Court regarding the validity of any act, ordinance or regulation, the determination of which is necessary for the disposal of the case? The correct option is option number 4, Section 395 of the CRPC. Question number 37. Which of the following statement is correct? इसमें दोनों ही स्टेटमेंट जो है वो इनकरेक्ट है. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में मोर देन 7 years कहा गया है, जबकि विद इन द 7 years होना चाहिए जो सुसाइड अटेम्प्ट की गई है. और सेकंड स्टेटमेंट में it says this prosecution is not required to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt. It need to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. So both the statements are incorrect. So the answer is none of the above statements. Question number 38. Under which provision of law a body incorporate is required to appoint an authorized representative for the purpose of inquiry or trial before a criminal court? The correct option is option 3, Section 305 of the CRPC. Question 39. In which celebrated judgment did the Honorable Supreme Court classify the witnesses into 3 categories? Wholly reliable, wholly unreliable, neither wholly reliable nor wholly unreliable. The correct answer is option 1, Vadivelu Thewar versus State of Madras. Question number 40. Which of the following irregularities vitiate the proceeding if any magistrate not being empowered by law in this behalf does any of the following things? Correct option is option 3, holds an inquest under Section 176 of CRPC. Question number 41. Kalu prosecutes Khema for stealing a car from him. Khema is convicted. Kalu afterwards sues Ganesh for the car which Khema had sold to him before his conviction. The judgment of conviction of Khema in the suit between Kalu and Ganesh is irrelevant. The correct answer is option 2. Question 42. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court decided the issue of territorial jurisdiction of the court to entertain a complaint under the Negotiable Instruments Act in reference to the amending ordinance of 2015? The correct answer is option 1, Bridgestone India Private Limited versus Inderpal Singh. Question number 43. In which of the following judgment the Honorable Supreme Court held that where an act of domestic violence commenced prior to the enactment of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act and continued even thereafter also, in such a situation the aggrieved person is entitled to protection of the act? The correct option is option 1, Saraswati versus Babu. Question number 44. The trial court, while recording evidence in a case wherein the accused is in custody, records the evidence of witnesses without ensuring presence of the accused in the court. Which of the following statement would be correct? Correct answer is option 1. The judgment passed by the trial court in such proceedings would be vitiated by the virtue of Section 273, Clause 1 of the CRPC. Question number 45. Under which provision of law can a court direct any person to write any words or figures for comparison of handwriting? Option number 3, Section 73 of the Indian Evidence Act. Question number 46. Which of the following provisions of Indian Evidence Act permits evidence recorded in one case to be considered relevant in a subsequent proceedings? Correct option is option 4, Section 33. Question 47. Which provision of CRPC empowers a criminal court to recall and re-examine witnesses in a criminal case? The correct option is option 3, section 217 and section 311 दोनों सेक्शंस के अंडर कोर्ट एम्पावर्ड है किसी भी विटनेस को री एग्जामिन करने के लिए. Question number 48. In which of the following situation the general principle of presumption of innocence of a child in conflict with law shall not be applicable? The correct option is option 4, none of the above. Question number 49. In reference to the trial of summon cases by a magistrate, which of the following statement is correct? The correct answer is option 3. There is no requirement for the court to hear the accused and the particulars of the offence shall be stated to him. Question number 50. When a child in conflict with law is in custody while undergoing trial is declared adult under section 18 clause 3 of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act upon crossing the age of 18 years during the course of trial, which of the following option is available to the trial court in such a situation? The correct option is option 4, send the child to a place of safety. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. आगे के क्वेश्चंस हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.